Everyone, welcome to Sanmarga classes. Question number 3 from local self-government. The numbers of Bruhat Mahanagara Palike and Mahanagara Palike present in Karnataka are ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೃಹತ್ ಮಹಾನಗರ ಪಾಲಿಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಮಹಾನಗರ ಪಾಲಿಕೆಗಳು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇವೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? So this Brihat Mahanagara Palike and Mahanagara Palike come under urban local bodies. Okay. Urban local bodies. They come under urban local bodies. Okay. Urban local body contain city corporations in major cities. Okay. Pattana Panchayat, municipal corporation, town corporation in town and cities. Cantonment under the control of defense ministry. Okay. Here, option A, the number of Brihat Mahanagara Palike and Mahanagara Palike present in Karnataka are 1 and 11, option B 1 and 10, and option C 2 and 10, option D 2 and 11. There are 1 and 10 number of Brihat Mahanagara Palike and Mahanagara Palike present in Karnataka. One is Brihat Bengaluru Mahanagara Palike and 10 other Mahanagara Palikes. Okay. Thank you.